Okay, so we've come to the end of the show here at the Southern Manufacturing Show here in Farnborough. Thank you all of those that have come to visit us over the past few days. It's been great to meet you all. Here's my lovely assistant Sean.
Thank you very much.
And as promised, we are ready to do the big prize draw for the rather grand bottle of champagne there.
Thanks for that introduction, Jen. As promised, we have one lucky winner that's going to win this fantastic bottle of champagne. From my side, just an absolute massive thank you to everybody who's come to visit us on the stand. We've got so many exciting opportunities to follow up on. It's going to take us a while, but we are going to get there. Every single one of you are going to get a response, and can't thank you enough. We've booked again for next year, so we'll be here at this time in 12 months' time. We're going to be going to the North Show, so hopefully we'll see a lot of you up there on the 2nd and 3rd of October. We're going to be running similar prizes up there, maybe even bigger and better next time. But thank you again for everybody who's responded to us this year. And we're going to take I'm just going to throw all these cards out here now. A little bit of a mix-up, see who's going to win. And we get a winner here, Richard Towles from Airbus.
Woo!
Richard, thank you for coming to the show, putting your card in the box. This lovely bottle of champagne is going to be on its way to you within the next few days. Thanks ever so much for coming. Big thank you to everyone who entered the online competition. Again, we had a fantastic response, and I will be in contact with you all. But the lucky winner of the online competition for a fantastic Magnum champagne is Mr. John Fisher from the Rittle Group. John, thank you ever so much for entering. I'll be in contact with you very soon and look forward to meeting you.